Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the model and firmware so you know available picture options. Make sure the source device is connected and selected. Once done, press Home and go to All Settings, then Picture. This opens the controls that change screen size and aspect. Make sure to note which input is active because LG saves some settings per input. From here, you're ready to adjust picture mode and picture size options to match your content source and personal preference. Now you change the actual screen sizing controls. Open Picture, then Aspect Ratio or Picture Size. You'll see presets such as 16, 9, Original, Zoom, Wide, and options labeled Screen Fit or Just Scan. Use Screen Fit or Just Scan for PC inputs to prevent overscan. Pick 16, 9 for regular HDTV content. If the image looks stretched or has black bars, try Zoom or Custom and nudge horizontal/vertical size until edges align. Finish by saving your adjustments and testing with different inputs and content types. Make sure each input retains the preferred picture size. If changes don't stick, reboot the TV and recheck firmware. Update it if menu options are missing. As a key troubleshooting tip, if the image is cut off or overly zoomed, set the source device to the TV's native resolution and enable Just Scan or Screen Fit to stop overscan. If problems persist, a factory reset will
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.